I'm Martha Dolensky from the Design Communications and Marketing Program, and here's PLCC Speed Tour. Here's the main entrance. Here's our lower lecture hall for all of our lecturing needs. Here's the office area. Here's Miss Saley's office, our assistant principal. Here's Mr. Clark's office, our principal. PLCC. Speed tour, speed tour, speed tour. Here's our cosmetology hallway. Here's adult cosmetology and high school cosmetology, in case you need to get your nails did. Cosmetology part 2. Here's our district offices. Woo! And our adult education services for after high school. Here's a classroom. Yay, learning! Here's phlebotomy. I know you have blood. Cyber Academy. Yay, computers! Speed tour, speed tour, speed tour. Here's our bathrooms, because we all need those. Design, communications, and marketing, and Manuel. Don't forget about Neon Lime. Come catch a meal. Here's our amazing cafeteria. Yay, food! PLCC Health Technology Wing. Speed tour! Here's some chairs in case you need to lounge a bit. Here's our pharmacy and bathrooms. Here's MedTech. Woo! Don't forget about pre-nursing. Yay, medicine! Here's the Neon Lime. Stop by for a meal. Don't forget about culinary arts. Speed tour, speed tour, speed tour. Here's phlebotomy. I know you have blood. Sports med. Yay, sports! Dental assisting. Gotta keep up those pearly whites. HVAC for all your heating and cooling needs. Speed tour, speed tour, speed tour. Here's welding and building trades. Here's electrical. Stay lit, y'all. Here's automotive technology. Vroom, vroom. Now let's head over to our safety building. Ooh, it's nice out here. This is Law and Criminal Justice. Thanks for keeping us safe. This is Fire Academy. Thank you for keeping us safe. Speed tour. Yay, snow! Always look both ways before crossing. And that concludes our PLCC Speed Tour.